Today we come up with a 5 minutes recipe. It is a quick and easy breakfast recipe, also very healthy and tasty paratha recipe and nasta recipe. Make this and our paratha very easily without kneading a dough, or without rolling a dough in breakfast time. It is a most easy, healthy and time-saving breakfast recipe. These are the ingredients. Two cups of atta, coriander leaves, half teaspoon pepper powder, one egg, one cup of milk. Firstly, break an egg to the bowl of atta. And add the pepper powder. After, add the coriander leaves. Add some milk. Add salt to taste. And mix well. Add the remaining milk. After, mix well. Add 1 cup of normal water. Mix again very well. Put a pan on stove in low flame, brushing oil very well. Pour the flour in it. Cook two sides very well in medium flame. Now ready healthy and tasty breakfast very easily. Kids and adults will like it. This dish can be eaten without any curry. It can prepare very fast and easily with minimum ingredients.